Hello, this is Adam from Laguna Tools. Today we're here with the 14BX and we're going to talk about the mobility kit. Here is the Pro wheel system for the 1412 and the 14BX. I'm going to show you how to assemble it today. Here are the contents of the box. We got the main axle. We got the bracket to raise and lower the bandsaw, the wheel that attaches to that. We also have the hardware kit, and we have this bracket. It's not used for the 14BX, but it is used for the assembly of the 1412. All right, so we're going to attach the main axle to the bandsaw. We have 2 threaded bolt holes, and we'll attach these bolts. We're going to use a 5mm Allen wrench. This doesn't come with the hardware kit. We're also going to grab a washer, put it on, and attach the bracket. All right, to attach the main axle to the bandsaw, align these 2 holes right here, screw one in, and do the same thing for the other side. Make sure they're nice and tight, secure, and this bolt right here is to rest the bandsaw on the ground when you're not moving it around. All right, and to attach the back of the bandsaw where you raise and lower it, you got the main foot pedal. You take your spring and you put it on here, and you're going to take your wheel and you're going to screw it right in the top. There we go. And for this part, we will not use it on the 14BX because it is already threaded into the frame. If you have the 1412, this goes on the back of the frame. So we're not going to use this today. All right, and to attach this bracket to the bandsaw, you're going to need a longer Allen wrench to fit all the way back. All right, so you're going to have to feed this bolt through these slots and into those holes. Here we go. You don't need to tighten them down a lot yet. All you gotta do is get them in, and then we'll torque them all down. Once you get them all in, you're going to start tightening them down. All right, and at the end of this, you will find an extra bolt and an extra washer. This goes to the bottom of the bracket that we use for the 1412. So for the BX, you don't have to worry about it. All right, so when you're putting on this bracket, make sure that you take off the back leveling feet. You only need to take off the back ones. When you take them off, it'll give you enough clearance so that the bandsaw moves smoothly. All right, and that concludes our video today with the 14BX. If you have any more questions, feel free to call or visit our website, lagunatools.com. Thank you.